Imagine you're minding your own business and suddenly you get an alert on your phone saying Earth is about to enter a black hole. You look up from your phone and say, well, that's a bit of a downer. Now let's unravel this cosmic hypothetical. Black holes, those enigmatic monsters of the universe, swallowing everything in their path, even light. They're like the universe's version of a never-ending all-you-can-eat buffet. But what happens when Earth gets an invite to this cosmic dinner party? Spoiler alert, it's not all confetti and party hats. Imagine trying to explain to your goldfish why his bowl is suddenly turning into spaghetti. That's right, folks. We're talking about spaghettification, the process where everything gets stretched into long, thin shapes like, well, spaghetti. Sounds fun on a cosmic level until you realize that your favorite pizza place just became one-dimensional. But hey, don't cancel your Netflix subscription just yet. Let's dive into what scientists say about this cosmic conundrum. So, what's the big deal about black holes? Well, they're not exactly the galaxy's friendliest neighbors. Let's dive into the science of black holes. Black holes are regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their pull. Imagine the biggest, meanest vacuum cleaner you can think of, and then multiply that by about 1 billion. That's a black hole for you. Now, according to the most brilliant minds of our time, there are 3 types of black holes: stellar, supermassive, and intermediate. Stellar black holes are the result of a star collapsing in on itself, while supermassive black holes, like the one at the heart of our very own Milky Way galaxy, are millions, if not billions of times the mass of our sun. Intermediate black holes are, as Goldilocks would say, just right in the middle. But what would happen to our lovely blue planet if it entered a black hole? Well, scientists call this scenario spaghettification, and it's just as messy as it sounds. Due to the intense gravitational pull, Earth would stretch and compress into a long, thin strip, just like a piece of spaghetti. But don't worry, the chances of this happening are astronomically small, and even if it did, you wouldn't exactly be around to see it. Let's just say the concept of space-time continuum would suddenly become very personal. Of course, all this talk of black holes and spaghettification is based on what we currently know about the universe, and as we all know, the universe has a funny way of keeping us on our toes. So to sum it all up, black holes are these incredibly dense, incredibly powerful regions of space that have the ability to bend light, distort time, and turn planets into spaghetti. And if Earth ever found itself heading towards a black hole, well, let's just say it would be a one-way trip. In other words, if Earth entered a black hole, it would be like trying to squeeze an elephant into a mouse hole. Not exactly a perfect fit. So what would happen if we did take this cosmic plunge? Well, buckle up because it's going to be a wild ride. Imagine the Earth, our beloved blue marble, taking a detour into the ultimate roller coaster ride, a black hole. Think of it as the ultimate weight loss program. As we approach the event horizon, that point of no return, we'd experience spaghettification, a fancy term that essentially means we'd be stretched out like a piece of spaghetti due to extreme gravitational pull. The ride continues as we plunge into the black hole, where the laws of physics as we know them start to unravel. Time warps, space twists, and reality as we know it gets a serious shakeup. It's like the universe's version of a magic trick, only this one doesn't end with a bunny being pulled out of a hat. But don't worry, the chances of this happening are about as slim as me winning the lottery. And I don't even play the lottery. So what do you think? Would you be up for a trip into a black hole? Or would you rather stick to more terrestrial travel? You know, even though the idea of turning into a spaghetti string while being sucked into a cosmic vacuum cleaner might not be everyone's cup of tea, the mysteries of black holes are undeniably fascinating. What's on the other side? Another universe? A cosmic recycling plant? Or just a really, really long fall? We've had some fun today exploring the hypothetical journey into a black hole, but the truth is, we're still just scratching the surface of understanding these cosmic phenomena. So don't be shy, let us know your thoughts. Got a theory? A question? Or maybe you just want to share your favorite black hole joke? We're all ears. If you enjoyed this video, show us your love by pressing like button. And if you don't like this video, show us some love by, you guessed it, pressing that like button anyway. So, in the end, it all comes down to that like button. Thank you to all of you.